Millions of travelers use Google Flights every day. It's one of the best tools for comparing flights. But there's one thing it's always been missing: award travel. What if you could search cash fares and award flights in the same place? Today, I'll show you how the Flightpoints Chrome Extension transforms Google Flights into a complete award travel search experience. Getting started only takes a minute. Just search for Flightpoints in the Chrome Web Store and add the extension to Chrome. Now here's the best part. You don't have to learn a new search tool. Just use Google Flights exactly like you always do. Search your route, choose your dates, and Flightpoints works automatically. As your results load, Flightpoints automatically shows award prices beside the cash fares. No more opening airline websites one by one. No more comparing everything manually. Everything appears directly inside Google Flights. But showing award prices is only the beginning. Flightpoints also tells you whether using points actually makes sense. Some flights are great value, some aren't. So before transferring your points, you already know which option is worth booking. For Pro members, Flightpoints can search live award availability. Instead of looking at older cached results, you're seeing what's bookable right now. When premium seats disappear within minutes, that difference matters. Didn't find the award seat you wanted? Don't keep refreshing Google Flights. Create an alert. Flightpoints keeps searching automatically. When matching award availability appears, Flightpoints instantly notifies you, so you don't have to sit in front of your computer waiting. You'll know the moment seats become available. Google Flights already helps you compare airlines. Flightpoints adds the missing award travel layer: cash prices, points prices, deal ratings, live availability, all in one place. And the Chrome extension is just one part of Flightpoints. You can continue your search on the website, create alerts, get push notifications on your phone, search inside ChatGPT, Claude, and even Telegram. So wherever you search, Flightpoints stays with you. People don't install Flightpoints because it replaces Google Flights. They install it because it makes Google Flights even better. You keep the search experience you already know, but now you can search smarter. You already use Google Flights. Now you can search cash fares, compare award prices, track availability, and know when your points are worth using. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on your next award flight.